Hey guys, welcome back to KeneishaSays. Welcome back to another video. I know we're in December and I have not picked up a camera right now. I'm actually using my phone right now to record. I'm not wrong with my camera. It's just that I'm actually editing right now, as you can see. This video has been recorded since October. We're in December and I'm just now editing. I started editing it in November, but then I lost interest. I don't know what happened. I'm not demotivated, or I was just tired, and every time I think about picking up the camera, I'm like, I didn't have the energy. So right now I'm like, you know what? It is actually 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock in the night, midnight basically. And I'm like, you know what? Let me just pick up the camera and see if this will motivate me to actually record a whole week. Well, actually tonight it's 12 o'clock, so it's like Thursday morning right now. So I don't know how much more I'm going to get to add to this, but I'm gonna start it. Okay, it's snowing outside. Our first snowstorm for the season. I think we're in a winter now. I think fall finish. Didn't receive anything in October, in November, anything. So this is our first one. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, a gynecologist appointment tomorrow. I'm not normally one to look at snowfall, and I know the school don't normally set them close or them start late. So depending on what happens tomorrow, we may go on the road. Okay, but may I start the video? If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, comment under the comment section. Motivate me to actually start doing more videos, okay? Because I think the lack of views too was another thing that was like, you know, whatever, I ain't gonna push out because we're not even getting the views for it. Yeah, I know, but it's the truth. All my new subscribers, welcome over here. I see you guys rolling in. So thank you for joining the team, and all my OG guys, continue to support. Don't forget to like the video, as I said before. So again, I'm just starting the video and everything. Let me go edit this video that's late. It's like I'm on overdue, late. Okay, so let me finish edit this video, see if I can get it posted tomorrow, and get this video started for you guys. Okay, all right.
The next day.
It's the next morning, guys, and it is still snowing a bit. School is closed. This is what outside is looking like right now. This is around the back. Still snowing a little bit outside, a little bit of flurry and stuff like that. All this time I'm there to record, I'm not need to record. I talk to myself. I was talking to myself and I said so much. Anywho, bottom line, basically I was saying that school is out and I will not be going to my appointment today, obviously, because the kids are out. And yesterday I had called them to let them know that, you know, I would not be able to make it in because, you know, once the bit of snow go up on the ground, they're going to cancel school or make school run late. And I had predicted this. So I called them yesterday and let them know that, you know, I may not be able to make it in today because of because of that reason. And they stated that if it's the cancellation I'm worried about, if it's because of the weather condition, they would not charge me for that. So hopefully that still remains the same. Okay, all right. So that's obviously gonna see how outside look. Ground white, well fluffy up and stuff like that. It's the first snowstorm for the year here in Connecticut. So the kids, I had gone ahead on, I want to say Tuesday night, and purchased some snow gears, some snow pants and stuff for the kids, because my intention was for them to go outside and kind of play in the snow and stuff like that. But they're not going to come until tomorrow, so that's not going to happen. So right now we're just in the house. Literally just wake up. I went to bed last night this morning around 2:30. So I am beat. So I'm kind of excited when I get a call this morning that there was not going to be any school. So before the whole snowstorm thing, my intention, as I said before, I started this last night. My intention was basically to take on the road, go to the gynecologist appointment, and I wanted to go by Family Dollar to pick up some extension cord for I have one reindeer thing that needs to be connected outside because I'm finished with all of my decoration them. The video that you guys just watched, that video, as I said before, has been recorded from October. I was trying to edit it, it wouldn't ever work. Finally finished it last night. You guys should be getting it today. I'm gonna upload that today. But like, I haven't picked up the camera since all of November, and I wanted to do a Vlogmas, but that's not gonna work out. It may still do like I might call this like an episode 1. Vlogmas episode 1. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. I said all that to say I wanted to like kind of just pour in some stuff today. I may show you how the house is looking for sure when I decorate, and how me clean up the place and stuff like that. I started cleaning from October, from before Halloween. Tell me why I'm not finished clean up until the day before Thanksgiving. And because it was big. Matter of fact, the place was just too dirty. But to be honest, there were like a lot of things going on because I have the afternoon stuff, the recreational activities for the guys, extracurriculum and stuff like that. I have appointments, doctor's appointments, places to be, things to do, da da da. So it's like in between. It was harder than last year, but not gonna lie. I finished the night like late Wednesday night going into Thanksgiving Thursday morning. From October. Anyway, the place done now, and I kind of feel relieved, but I'm tired because I had to jump back into work after doing all that Thanksgiving. I never shared nothing again. I never shared nothing coming. I had no mood for record. I don't know why I wasn't recording. I did turkey this Tuesday, because I didn't feel like doing any turkey last week. The reason why I didn't do the turkey was because I was planning on going to family, but I ended up never go. Troy went, but me and the kids them kind of stayed back because it was raining and cold and stuff like that. But I did like barbecue ribs with some rice and peas, some mac and cheese, and some vegetable. And then Tavan was like, "Mom, but we never get anything, any turkey." So I got the turkey and I did it on Tuesday. So we still have turkey down there to eat right now. I did Tuesday, I did curry shrimp and turkey with some white rice and vegetable. So we still have a turkey. So she got our turkey. For some reason, she don't remember her eating turkey. She remember everything else, but she can't remember eating turkey, which is crazy coming to turkey every year. Anywho, I'm going to show you what is going on in the house. Not sure how far this vlog is going to go, if it's going to even make it up. But we're going to consider this episode 1. I'm not going to say Vlogmas day 1. I'm going to say Vlogmas episode 1, right? So whichever part Vlogmas reach, it reached, okay? I won't try to sing. But I know me now do like what I did last year, because last year it beat me bad. Vlogmas is no joke. Vlogmas is no joke. But anyhow, guys, I'm going to let them out a little bit, and then I'm going to get up, straighten up, and get the kids them something to eat, and I'm going to show you how the house look. Alright? Okay. Alright, bye.
6.5 hours later.
Hey guys, yes, Mr. Number 90, I'm tired. Many hours later. Okay, it's now 2 o'clock. I think the last time we spoke was some minutes after 9 or something like that. I ain't sure. I'm not sure. But snow finished fall. It's actually melting outside. I think it's going up to like 38 degrees. So it's actually melting outside. Kids, I'm still there and stuff like that. I'm about to wash Tavania's hair, but before I do that, I wanted to show you how my house is looking right now. Again, as I said before, the last video that you watched, that's been recorded, right? I did ask you, I actually edited that out because I had asked before and I didn't get any responses. And so because this video was being done late and I know that I had already done everything that I needed to do, I kind of deleted that from this video or from that video. But I did ask if you guys wanted to see Vlogmas or you wanted to see me clean up or to basically get the little Christmas vibes. You understand? I did not get any response. So I went ahead and as I told you guys, I just finished cleaning up and decorating last Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving Eve. Anywho, I'm going to show you how everything turned out because I have cleaned up for so long, you know, I'm still like clean up 1 and 2. So I'm like straighten up, laundry still done, you know, we still use the kitchen, so like stuff like that. But I'm just gonna give you like a brief idea as to what the house is looking like right now and how the color scheme actually turned out. I will not go deep into like the bedrooms and stuff, but just like the main areas. Okay, so right now, as you can see, I'm actually in my office space. I did tell you that my office will remain pink because that's all it does. It's pink. So I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like right now. So right now, this is how it is. As you can see, nothing much really changed apart from the Christmas kind of thing, where the Christmas theme, everything basically remains the same. So the only difference is the throw pillars. I kind of add back the Christmas thing to it, the Christmas tree and little thing to it, but it basically remains the same. So now we're gonna go into the lounge. So we're still in the basement, and this is where I call my lounge room. So that is the lounge room or the lounge area. Now, as you can see, this Christmas tree, it is literally what it looks like. It is a what left. It is a what left decoration, and that is why I wanted to go on the road today. Just get like a couple stuff to kind of fill it out, right? This is down here. Nobody not really see this but us. And normally I would actually go out of my way or go overboard to get Christmas ornaments and stuff, like I did last year and the year before and the year before that. But this year I'm going to use what I have, right? And this is literally what is left, and that is why this is thrown on here. That's why I wanted to go on the road today to grab some ornaments from maybe Family Dollar or stuff like that to kind of just spruce it up a little bit. That didn't happen, so I feel like God said, do not spend your money. Nobody not come down here. We're planning on saving, and that is what we're going to do. So, I don't know. I might just follow what God is saying right now. So, that is what's going on here. Okay, so now we're going to move up to... I'm not using the tripod. I can't put it on because it'll make it look difficult to do this. Much better. So now I'm not for fast. I'm literally there fast. That while I go to move up and down, up and down, up and down, which one I want to go. So now let's go upstairs. We're moving into, right now I'm doing the laundry, and that is what you're hearing, the machine's washing. So we're moving into the laundry room and into the pantry. And the machine of manners, it stopped. Oh no, he did not. But anyhow, this is what this is looking like. So I did have a rug here, if you guys can remember. I took it up because this door still needs to be replaced first thing next year. No, I'm not spend no money, but we gotta get this door moved. So the rug that was here, every time you move back and forth, you have to lift it up, and it just didn't cost too much. It didn't annoy me, so I'm gonna move that. So here, so it's kind of clean. This is the laundry room. Look, a Christmas mat. That's the only Christmas thing going on around here, to be honest. And then my pantry. Guys, we just go BJ's go buy a whole something or something, and the kids them teacher was down here, and me don't like seeing nothing empty. Me don't like seeing nothing empty, but I just want snack. Actually, it was popcorn that was there, the regular popcorn. You have a skinny pop and the regular popcorn, and that done. So we just need to get some more. But this is it. Show it to the world up there, so yeah. So we got a pretty mat. This is so beautiful, guys. This I actually got from Temu. Can you believe that? I love this mat. I love this rug. So that is a pantry. Outside, oh, when the outside is crying. This one I can't see. One mat there right there, so we just put it by the soak now with the snow. You see it? I can't see because I'm not opening the door. It's cold. We're not doing that. But the snow is literally melting. It's literally melting, guys. See that? You can actually see the grass. Yeah. Snow come and just show what I'm can do and just come back and yard. That's what happened. Let me show you. I kind of did that little thingamajig here. And under the see that this also, yeah, right there, pretty, don't it? Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. Anywho, we're going upstairs and have a little poinsettia thing. It turns on in the night, but it kind of peel. We started this fully per time. And then we have here, all my candles are changed out to color scheme to match. They're all Christmas scents and stuff. Same thing there. Kind of dark. Let me turn on the lights for ya. Let me turn on the light for ya. Alright, so that is going upstairs into the bedrooms, right? I'm not gonna go up there right now. I'm special on out there, but in the bedroom. I already see this. Alright, so this is my living room. This is, oh, that's, yeah. So the color scheme is red and green right through. So you'll see now and then you see a little pop of green, a little pop of golds on the thingamajig. It's my couch area. Tristan, come on, just sit down in here now. So I'm gonna just sit down in here. I'm sorry. Anywho, this is that. Alright, so that was the living room. Christmas tree, again, as I said before, the Christmas tree is not all that magnificent like what it looked like last time, but I feel like with the look of the ornaments I have, I make it work. Yeah, I feel like I made it work. Yeah, I'm not buying nothing else. I'm not buying anything else. So we're in the kitchen, and it needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I have a couple of dishes I need to wash. But look, I see it. I made it work. I made it work. Look at that. That's teeny. I thought it was a little bit bigger, but that's what I showed you guys in the last video.
I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play.
Mind this, don't mind that.
Spin a happy game of dreidel. Come play now, let's begin. Oh, dreidel, dreidel, dreidel. I made
dining room. Tristan break one of the candles, so that one I had to buy it back. It's on its way coming.
Oh my!
So Tristan brought that, so the other one is coming back. I'm gonna fix this back right here. So. Had to change the battery, so we're heading back upstairs. But that's basically it. You have the dining room, and then the playroom. Not much changes in there, you know. That don't really have the color scheme. But let's go back into the dining room. So this is what the dining room is given. The playroom in there. Playroom not have much. I did put the lights up here. Like the one I got. She was just out here. I did put these lights out here. I feel like it worked better in the playroom instead. So, and then I did decorate outside on the deck. The snow melts off and gone. Then I had the theme mats here. This is the mat you guys saw. I missed the person in the corner. But that's what's given right here. And then I did go ahead and do the outside. But outside cold, I'm missing up my nighties. So I'm not going to show everything right now. Maybe later, maybe tomorrow. I want to try to see if I can start editing this video so you guys can get it as soon as possible. I am going to be doing Tavania's hair shortly. I'm going to wash her hair. I'm not sure I'm going to be showing you guys all of that because then it's going to turn into a longer video. This is what outside is given. I need to go clean off my mirror, but this is what outside is given. Remember that Christmas tree? I bought two of them, and guys, tell me why they're broken. Oh my god, and I cannot send them back because like we had them since March. I would never open them. And we had the icicle lights that you guys saw as well. It's the reindeer kind of over there, so we need to plug him in. I don't know if you can see, but I'm not opening the door, so I'm sorry. And we got some more lights and stuff outside. So outside is not fancy, but it's okay. And you have this one clean. If you'll clean this off. No, I did not clean this glass. But not to all lie. You have the Christmas theme here. Yeah. Oh, and my beautiful wreath. How can I not show you my beautiful door wreath? It's pre-lit as well, so this is beautiful when it turns on. And guys, that is it. So even though I did not get to do everything that I wanted to do with you guys today, I feel like it still get a little bit of something, and I'm gonna call this Vlogmas episode 1. I still feel like it's worth it, right? And then I will try to get more into the spirit. Not that into the spirit, because Christmas is my holiday. Everybody always asks why I'm going to go all out for Christmas and whatever not. Because whatever. For me, it's not because of the kids. They always feel like it's because of the kids why I do all this. It's not because of the kids. Because whether or not they have picnic or not, it was going to be done, child. And it was going to be done. Christmas, my husband played Christmas music from October. Okay, just to give you a synopsis of how we feel about Christmas. We've been playing Christmas music from October. He has been doing that. So my husband loves Christmas. I love Christmas. My kids love Christmas. So it's a whole Christmas thing. And it just gives a different feeling. And because, and apparently I'm not the only person that was thinking this. Because at first I'm like, Christmas, by the time you put up the Christmas tree, and after Thanksgiving or whatever not, by the time you quit, it's time to take it down. It's Christmas and it's done. So that is why I actually started cleaning from October, because the intention was to get this up and running immediately after Halloween. But apparently that didn't happen, right? But I wanted, like, everything was done, purchased, done, bought, and everything. And I feel like everybody been doing that. Like when you look into, like, people at work, they're telling me that their Christmas tree been up since October. People been decorating, like the stores are up and running. Festivity outside in people's yards, like as soon as Halloween was done, Christmas decoration was up, the trees were up and stuff like that. So I'm not the only person thinking that, and I love that. I love that we're bringing back Christmas, you know what I mean? So I love Christmas, and the only reason why I didn't see all of this creation done was because I never really see anybody saying that, hey, I want to see the cleaning person. I know you don't have to say it, but I just feel like if I don't see it being requested, you see it every year. So it's going to be the same thing. So I figured let me just clean behind the scene and just show you afterwards. Again, I wanted to do Vlogmas, but unfortunately, I did not start out strong. Today is what? Today is the 5th of December. But never, what is saying? Better late than never. Okay? Better late than never. So we're going to not, and I did tell you I was not going to do daily vlogs because that just killed too much out of me last year. I'm not going to do that. Maybe next year, I don't know, depending on how my schedule is. But this year, I'm not going to do the daily vlog. So we're going to do maybe weekly, maybe in the middle of the week, semi-weekly or something like that. So I'm going to see if I can start editing this video right now. I'm going to go wash my daughter's hair first though. And then see if I can actually start getting this up maybe by Monday. This can up. So we have videos back to back to back coming in. You understand? But the daily vlog, not doing it, darling, not doing it. But I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys are enjoying the holiday season so far. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on the comment section, and share. And until later, guys, bye.